Hello everyone, welcome to Gharpedia. In today's video, Gharpedia brings to you some monsoon tips for home so that your house is rainproof, thereby allowing you to soak up the beauty of the season. But, before we proceed, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. The first thing to do is to inspect and repair doors and windows with gaps and loose hinges. Also, check for wooden doors and windows which may swell during the rainy season and have trouble shutting down properly. Repaint metal frame doors and windows to prevent them from rusting. Repair cracks or water leakages from the roof, walls, terrace, tiles or from other parts of the house. Moisture due to the rainy season can cause more damage to cracks. Ensure that all water pipes and canals are flotsam and jetsam free. If you own exquisite designer furnishing and tapestry, then it is better to store them away in plastic sheets safely for the simple reason that the dampness may wreak havoc with your exclusive carpets and rugs. Replace them with thinner, cheaper and easy to dry rugs that suit the season more. Cleanliness is the mantra for this season. Your house becomes a breeding ground for bacteria and germs during monsoons. Hence, mop your floors daily with an antibacterial solution and get pest control done prior to the monsoons. Choked drains and stagnant water are breeding grounds for mosquitoes and other germs. Call up a local plumber and disgorge all your drains before the onset of the monsoon. Leaves along with plastics and dirt choke up the inlet of your house rainwater drainage lines, leading to flooding the terrace or sometimes even overflowing into your house. Do remember to have all inlets thoroughly cleaned not only before the onset of the monsoon but also during the monsoon. Mitigate electrical malfunctions like short circuits by having all the electrical wiring checked, installing a voltage regulator, and plugging electrical sockets. In case of water leakage from roof, the water easily travels along the concealed electrical conduits, so, if there is a history of leakage near any switchboard, ensure to repair the same, thereby arresting chances of any such leakages. Good ventilation is a must during monsoons, allowing fresh air to enter your home and bring down the moisture. Also, do not forget to leave the doors and windows open when the sun shines. Waterproofing your house is crucial, therefore the smart pre-monsoon safety checklist should have a mention of waterproofing for your house walls, both from the inside as well as outside. Tick the checklist before the first rains and then enjoy the entire monsoon tension-free. We hope this video helps you to flaunt your monsoon-ready home. Do let us know your opinion in the comment section below. If you want insight into making your home monsoon-ready, visit our blog. Link in the description.